The UNM Police Department is now investigating the questionable spending of the Student Bar Association money at UNM. Questions began to arise about the group's off-campus account this fall when new board members took a look at it. An internal audit conducted by UNM has now been released and shows nearly $16,000 in questionable charges. Everything from alcohol and jewelry at Tiffany's to purchases at Nordstrom, a nail salon, even payments to an insurance company, the New Mexico Gas Company, Quest, and the Water Utility Authority. Now, the Student Bar Association does not have to pay water, electricity, or gas bills. A UNM spokesperson says, well, it's not unusual for groups to have fundraisers and create their own outside account. UNM does not have oversight and does not monitor the accounts for fraudulent spending. UNM police will now investigate if any criminal activity took place in this case, and if so, pursue charges against those involved. The student group says the person responsible is no longer